Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will teach you exercise 2.4 of NCERT decimals and fractions. We have already completed 3 exercises, and if you have not watched my videos then please visit my channel and you will find all the videos of each and every question of every exercise. So let's start this video. In this question we have to divide 12 divided by 3 upon 4. So how we will do this? And there are two parts in this question. First we will do the first part, that is we have to divide 12 divide by 3 upon 4, and the best way is to change this divide into a multiply. Change this divide into a multiply in the next step. But when you change the divide into the multiply, the second number, the equation of the second number, which is 3 upon 4, it will reverse. It means the numerator will change into the denominator and the denominator will change into the numerator. So if you see that this divide will change into the multiply and 3 upon 4 will change into the 4 upon 3. What I have done, I have just changed 4 into the numerator and this 3 into the denominator. Now it is very easy to solve this. That is, we can represent 12 as 12 upon 1, and we will multiply the numerator values with each other and the denominator values with each other. So if you see that this 12 is easily divisible by 3, that is 3 1 ja 3 and 3 4 ja 12. So in the numerator we have 4 multiplied by 4, that is 16, and in the denominator 1 multiplied by 1. So our answer would be 16. And the second part is, that is we have to divide 14 divided by 5 upon 6. What we will do, we will convert this division into the multiplication, and when we convert division into the multiplication, we have to change this number. We have to do the reciprocal of this number, that is 5 upon 6. The reciprocal of 5 upon 6 is 6 upon 5. I have changed the numerator values to the denominator and the denominator value to the numerator. So now it is easy to find out this, and if you see that we cannot cut any numerator and the denominator values with each other, so we have to multiply the numerator values. That is 14 multiplied by 6 is 10, multiplied 6 is 60, and 60 plus 24 is 84. So 14 multiplied by 6 is 84, and in the denominator we have 5. So our answer is 84 upon 5. And if you don't know the table of 14, just like me, I have applied that my table and trick video, and if you have not watched that video then please visit my channel and watch that video. It will definitely help you. So the third question is, that is we have to divide 8 by 7 upon 3. So what we will do, we will convert this division into the multiplication, and this number will be reciprocal. So 8 multiplied by 7 upon 3 will change into 3 upon 7. Now we can represent this 8 as 8 upon 1, and we cannot cut any number. So 8 multiplied by 3 is 24, and 7 multiplied by 1 is 7. So our answer would be 24 upon 7. And the fourth part is 4 divided by 8 upon 3. This division will change into the multiplication, and 8 upon 3 will convert into 3 upon 8. Now we can divide this 8 by 4, that is 4 1 ja 4 and 4 2 ja 8. So in the numerator we have 3 and in the denominator we have 2. So our answer would be 3 upon 2. And the fifth part is, first we will convert this mixed fraction into the improper fraction, and whatever the answer we will get, we will divide that answer with 3. So first convert this number into the improper fraction, that is 3 2 ja 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. So our answer is 7 upon 3. Now we will divide this 7 upon 3 with 3. And just like the same way we have done now, this division will convert into the multiplication and this number will be reciprocal. So 7 upon 3 will change into 3 upon 7, and this division will change into multiplication. Now it is very easy to solve this, that is 3 multiplied by 3 is 9 and 7 multiplied by 1 is 7. So our answer would be 9 upon 7. And in this part we will convert this mixed fraction into the improper fraction, and whatever the answer we will get, we will divide that answer by 5. So 3 4 upon 7 would be 7 3 ja 21 and 21 plus 4 is 25. So our answer is 25 upon 7. Now we will divide this number by 5, that is 5 divided by 25 upon 7. And in the next step we will convert this division into the multiplication, and we will shift this number with each other. It means we will change the numerator to the denominator and the denominator to the numerator. That is 5 multiplied by 25 upon 7 will change into 7 upon 25. Now if you see that this 25 is easily divisible by 5, that is 5 1 ja 5 and 5 ja 25. So our answer would be 7 upon 5. So this video is completed, and in the next video we will do the other questions of this exercise. So please hit the like button and subscribe my channel.